Well, hello. Good morning, good day, good blessings for whatever it is, wherever you are. This is William from Williams, Philippines. It's about 4:30 on oh Wednesday morning, uh, June 6th, 2024. Uh, get to go and get these things tended to a couple of pinchy spots. They'll be getting ground down today. Hopefully that'll do them. The bottom ones not gonna work unless they can do a whole bunch of fitting on them. I'll pick them up, carry them over to the dentist with me, but right now, yeah, it is looking like no. But I am getting better with the upper ones. Like I say, I just need a little more fixing on that. So, get to go to two different things today, plus try to do my regular bit of shopping. And oh, yay. Hopefully be done with everything by 2, but usually Wednesdays are a little later than that, which is really my Friday because, well, this is my Friday. I don't have to get up and go do things and again tonight or tomorrow night, whatever. Night shift, fun stuff. Anyway, I was looking at all my schedule, and this week's fairly busy, and next week's empty. And then the week after that is freaking busy again. They're going to have me go in doing the doctor for my to tell me about the X-rays on my back and neck next week, or was it the week after? Yeah, they got the results in. Said they would talk to me on the 26th, which 2 weeks. Uh, yeah, and then I get to drive all the way down to Lubbock, start taking all the medicine for, oh yeah, a colonoscopy on the 27th. Oh, yay. Not sure I like this idea, but it is what it is. So, yes, I get to figure all of that out and drive down there, spend the night in the hotel, catch an Uber over to the doctor's office, and then have my boss, have his family pick me up over there. Speaking of my boss, uh, his son Saturday is having the engagement party for the announcement for the families. So that'll be Saturday, which is yay. That's going to be a fun one. Yeah, having to try to stay awake when I'm usually asleep and do that, and then come here and work all night. I don't know. I may try to have the boss let me get a room here so I can just come straight here and then go to sleep, and then I don't know. The weekends are going to be busy now, so I'm not sure I want to take away his income to take and do, yeah, just to get an easy night of sleep so I don't have to drive and have as far to go. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, it's special condition. I'll ask him. See, I probably won't. I don't know. I ain't decided yet. All I know is I'm actually tired. And I haven't even got to the end of my work shift, and I'm about to start doing breakfast, which is actually where I get a lot of my exercise on a regular daily basis. My walks have been trying to I've been limiting them to about a mile a day. So I really need to boost them and start doing more, but yeah, time and energy. how much energy and choice do I make to go that direction? I am still trying to get used to the extra mile a day. And yeah, I mean, some days I have, like today, I'll probably get 2 or 3 miles trying to get everything done. In and out here, doing walking around there and everything else. Anyway, it is what it is. But yes, my plans for the day, one of the guests just went by. My plans for the day are to try and get things covered, get the grocery shop, and do that. Yeah. And somewhere or another get my mile in. Well, my mile plus today. Wednesdays are always busy. Sometimes Fridays are too. But definitely Wednesdays. So, a lot of energy being burnt today. But yeah, it's a choice. Oh. And sometime about the 2nd, I start doing the neck. And probably the Friday after getting back, or the Friday when I get back from the colonoscopy, try and do the shots for vaccine. Why is there so much stuff got to be done? Glad I'm getting it done early and starting, but yeah, always seems like another thing sneaks up and yells at me. And sometime in about 2 months, 3 months, I need to actually go and get my class online so that I can go take a road test on a scooter or a motorcycle. Yeah. Been trying to look into that too. Think I found the place. Company out of Dallas comes up here and does them on the on the weekends. So, yay! Go over there and have a class on a Saturday. Mess up my day, but yeah. But that'll be sometime. Let's see, July. Sometime September or November. September, October, November area. But I think I found the company I'm going to go with because they do business here in Amarillo. So, yay, fun stuff. And I still got things. Somewhere along in here, I want to try to have a garage sale. Not this weekend, but probably shoot for next weekend. Try and get everything. Just start setting it on the yard. And hey, if somebody walks up with it, well, while I leave it out overnight, at least it's out of the yard, out the property and gone. And I'm realizing I got so much stuff I just really need to get rid of. And I'm kind of looking at my, again, the water filter. Got to put those filters back in another safe spot so I don't lose them again. Have to go around looking for them. I'm good at putting things away and having to go find them again because I forgot where I put them. Sometimes it is what it is. Anywho's, today's going to be busy, and I want to get this thing out, so I want to send it over to YouTube. So we're going to let this one be another, fairly short one. Yeah. I'll be glad when I get this here teeth trimmed because my gum's I'm tired of them hurting. That's why I'm glad to get over there today. Anyway, William from Williams, Philippines.
Excuse me, can I get a copy?
Yes, sir. Yellow one.
Yellow one? Okay.
Yeah. William from Williams, Philippines. Y'all have a good day. Later, blessings. Bye bye. Anyway, I am Fish, and Fish is out.